YouTube in 2025, it's a whole new ballgame. The platform is a constantly shifting landscape. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Don't stress though. This evolution brings exciting opportunities. Think new formats, technologies, and ways to connect. The key is to adapt and stay ahead of the curve. Ready to boost your channel in 2025? Let's rock it to success. First things first, know your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What do they enjoy? Understanding your viewers is key to creating content that resonates. High-quality content is king. Think engaging storytelling, top-notch visuals, and crystal-clear audio. Give your viewers something valuable, something that educates, entertains, or inspires. Remember, authenticity is key. Be yourself, let your personality shine through, and connect with your audience on a human level. 2025 is all about embracing the new. Think interactive videos, virtual reality experiences, and AI-powered tools. These technologies can take your channel to the next level. Don't be afraid to experiment with new formats and platforms. Short-form videos booming. Explore TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Get creative, have fun, and see what works for you. Ready for some actionable advice? Consistency is key. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Promote your channel on social media, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your comments. Use eye-catching thumbnails and titles to grab attention. Optimize your videos for search using relevant keywords. Most importantly, never give up. Building a successful channel takes time, effort, and dedication. The future of YouTube is bright. Embrace the changes, create amazing content, and watch your channel soar.